Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is another episode of unboxing. With the holidays approaching, many of you are searching for that perfect gift. And lately, I've been sharing some gift ideas. And today, I am so excited to open this box with you. Are you ready? Let's go! Oh, another layer of packaging. I like ideas like this. I feel like I received this from a friend. And ta-da! It's a gift box. Here we go. It's a ring. Let's take it out first. Oops. It's a scissor ring. So cute. Isn't this adorable? This is perfect for someone who is a crafter, a fashion designer, or a hairstylist. If you know someone like that, then this ring will be perfect. If you want to find out more or to order one, the link is in the description box. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!